someone who has stayed in a significant amount of hotels, I figured, why don't I, do room reviews, hotel rooms. I got a travel that deals with, well, traveling to different places all over the country. At some point, no doubt, someone will want a hotel. So in my mind, I figured, why don't I go to these hotel rooms, give people a good review, going through the price, the quality, what you get for your money, is it worth it, location, what's in the surrounding area, you know, that kind of thing. You know, is it worth getting a premium room, or is it worth getting a standard room? That's my task. And I will let you know, the dear viewer, what is the best option. So with that, currently, I am in a Premier Inn. I'm in a premium room, which is very nice, located in Cardiff, and it's nice. It's very moody. There's a weird purple light above the bed, but let's check it out. Let's have a look at what's on offer. So, walking in, right, doors there, one door with hello, the little peephole. You walk in, you got a little set of hangers, all my bags down there, a mirror with a light. These are really good, to be fair. I do like these. To be fair, I don't spend that much time in front of a mirror, so. But I imagine, you know, someone who wants to make themselves look cool or pretty, you got a mirror. Also, you got a stool, which I think is pretty cool. Room comes with an ironing board. Pretty sure the iron is somewhere. Yeah, it's just there. And then you've got a spare duvet up there as well, which I think is pretty nice. Bearing in mind, this is the premium room that is with the Premier Inn. Ooh, moody. So as you can see, to be fair, it is pretty smart. You get a lot of, you know, you do get a pretty decent amount of space for rooms. Most hotel rooms that are in the UK, they don't have much space. They really don't. But this is actually really nice. Got some artwork. Let's have a look at that. What's on here? Yeah, that's quite a rare thing, to be fair. You'll have the artwork. I think Premier Inns are the only hotel that actually do artwork like this and actually have the artist mentioned on the, you know, next to the art on the wall, which I think is a nice little touch. Because some people are into art, and it gives you, you know, it lets you know who the artist is. If you like it, you know, you can go and take a look for yourself at the artist. Big one. Really big one, I think. Sockets. You can't have enough sockets. And these ones actually have the USB above the plug itself, which I think is really good. And even better, I don't know if you can see it, above and below the switches. It's got what it is, so curtain. That one's a light above there. So it can all be done from the bed, which I think is actually a nice touch. Because the last thing you want to do is get up out of bed and be knocking switches on and off. Headboard. Oh, well, that's not moody. Damn, that's moody. And ceiling. Very bright. So that's nice. Nice little touch. You got the side lights, which are movable. You know, I think that's quite handy. But it is a nice touch, being able to do that. Again, all from the bed on a nice little switch. Definitely comes in premium. You don't tend to get this in a standard. It's just a bench. Seems to be, you do get a lot of extras when you get the premium room. The standard room, it's very similar, but it's just basic. You don't get half as much as what you get in here. You get a desk, you got a good desk, which is, I guess, handy. And then more sockets. Difference with these ones, they don't have the USB above them. You get HDMI, which, you know, if you want to plug something in, you can, because you've got the HDMI lead there, or the HDMI socket. And then the good one, coffee. Now this bad boy does not come in a standard room. This shit's only premium. Now there were some chocolates on here. I've had them because chocolate. It's got to be done. It's got to be eaten. And the big one, which it's so rare, the hotel rooms come with this. It is a fridge. The Coke did not come with the fridge, but there was 2 bowls of water you can just see back there. This is great because I've, you know, working away, if you want to store food, you can't do it in a hotel because you don't get a fridge, whereas this one, you do, which is nice.
When it comes to pricing for premium rooms, they are usually on average between £50 and £100 per night, depending on location, how short notice you give on booking the room, and what type of room you're looking for. But it's quite rare to see a room beyond £100 per night, no matter what type of room you book.
The bathroom is actually pretty good. I do like the premium bathrooms. It's clean. It's tidy, can't complain. Only complaint I have is that the handles are there for turning this on, so that means if it's freezing cold, you've got to get in and under the rain head to obviously turn it on. Some places actually have it here, so you can obviously alter it here, save you having to get in it, which smart thinking. Big old mirror, extraction fan, sink, standard. Like I said before, you know, like I said, they're pretty good at giving you the basics, and these are the basics to a very high standard. I like it. And purple, lovely.
My thoughts on the room and the hotel. When I go to a hotel, I'm after, you know, a few things, a few basic things. I want good Wi-Fi, I want a comfortable bed, and to be honest, I want a nice bathroom. The Premier Inn I'm in, the premium suites provide all three things to a generous standard. For example, the bed is phenomenal. All Premier Inns, to be fair, the beds are fantastic. The pillows are always comfy. I mean, that's pretty comfy. The bathroom itself is always clean, always tidy, always work, which is obviously a bonus. And the Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi's hit and miss with hotels, especially Premier Inns. Some are really good, some really bad. This one in particular is really good. The lighting in the room, I think it's good. I like it. It's nice. It sort of differentiates the hotel to other hotels because it's no other hotel really has this. I think it's a nice touch. It's very, very individual to the hotel. The Wi-Fi, got a little distracted. The Wi-Fi. In Premier Inn, you get 2 standards of Wi-Fi. First standard is normal visitors or guest Wi-Fi. It's free, usually for like half an hour, and then it'll automatically disconnect you, and you have to reconnect every half an hour. It's frustrating, but it is what it is.
Upon doing some research, I believe this is only for a number of hotels, not all of them, so it's best to check beforehand if you want to use that sweet Wi-Fi.
Or you get the premium Wi-Fi, which is known as the Premium Unlimited Wi-Fi. You pay a fee or a price, and they will give you 24 hours free. It's not free, but 24 hours Wi-Fi, and it's a higher bandwidth as well, so it's a lot stronger and faster if you want to say watch Netflix or Amazon or whatever it is you want to watch, YouTube. But I think it's good. Personally, I'd just let everyone have the unlimited stuff. You shouldn't have to pay for it. You've already paid for the room. I don't agree with that, but not my choice. Overall, yeah, it's pretty good. I do like it. It does what it says on the can. End of. Decent.
These three images are a twin room, a double with a single, and a family room. If you're looking for some space, the family room is the best option, but if you're looking for just a short stay and really aren't that fussed, either the double or the twin room is the best option for you. Any feedback on this review would be greatly appreciated, as I'd like to do more of these just so people are a little more informed when it comes to booking hotels. Because let's be honest, you can't have enough information when it comes to travelling. And with that, thanks for watching.